Hi everyone, I'm Miss Lydia from the LaGrange Park Public Library. Thanks for joining me for Holi-DIY gifts. Today we're going to be making cute clothespin magnets. Now I love this project because it's a great gift and it's also really useful. Although I have to admit, I'm the kind of person that likes getting socks as a present. So I'll show you some of the magnets that I've made. The first I made for my niece while she's in school. They're really fun and are covered in sparkly rhinestones. Here's another set that I made. Each one has a letter of someone in my family. Here's L for Lydia. So we can hang them on the fridge and leave notes to each other. Now I'm working in sets of 3 clothespins for this project, but you can make as many or as few as you want. I'm so excited to share this project with you. Let's go!
Here's what you'll need to make your clothespin magnets. Some clothespins, the kind with the wire spring inside. Different colors of paint. A paintbrush for each paint color. A paper plate or something to hold your paint. Some magnets. I like to use the kind with the sticky side on the back. You can get these at a craft store. A paper towel, newspaper, or other towel to protect your workspace. Now, you can use any kind of craft supplies for this project. Here's the ones that I'm going to use today. Markers, pipe cleaners, glitter glue, and scissors and regular craft glue. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to lay out your paper towel or towel to protect your workspace. Next, get your paper plate and your paints ready and put some of your paint onto your paper plate or your palette. I'm going to use light blue, light green, and yellow. So what we're going to do first with the clothespins is paint one half of them. We're going to do half and then let it dry and then paint the other half so that we always have a place that we can hold on to it just because it's kind of small. So here I'm going to paint my light blue one, do the top, do the sides. You can do the insides if you want as well. And just try to get that one side so you don't paint your fingers and so you can get it all covered. So let's paint the rest of our clothespins. Awesome, my clothespins look dry, so I'm going to paint the other sides now. Now that our paint is dry, let's get ready to decorate. So I'm going to decorate my clothespins like they're little bugs and use these pipe cleaners as their wings and their antennas. I like using pipe cleaners in crafts because they're always really great colors and they have wire in them, which makes them easy to bend and put into different cool shapes. However, they can be really sharp and hard to cut, so if you need any help using pipe cleaners, ask an adult. Use your imagination when you decide how to decorate your clothespins. You might want to use art supplies you already have at home, or you might want to try something new. Personalize your clothespins for whoever you're giving them to. Now in my project, I'm going to take my bumblebee wings and glue them on the inside of my clothespin. You might choose to just put things on top of your clothespin, which is great too. So let's finish decorating our clothespins. All right, my clothespins are dry and looking cute. Time to put the magnets on the back. Now, like I said, I like to get magnets that are already sticky. All you need to do is peel off the back just like a sticker. It's sticky underneath, so you can put it right onto your clothespin without any glue. So carefully line it up on the back and give it a little press to secure it down. Another thing with the magnets for this project is that you'll want to make sure that it fits on the back of the clothespin without hanging off too much. A magnet you find in the store might not be the right size, so you might need to trim it. Cutting magnet can be difficult. Ask an adult for help when cutting magnets. My magnets turned out so cute. What a fun gift for the holidays.
Wow, really great job being creative with your clothespins. Your friends and family are going to love the gift that you made just for them. Now, I found this craft in the book called Super Simple Magnets by Karen Lachana Kenny. If you liked this clothespin magnet craft, you might like the other magnet crafts found in this book. So you can check this one out at the library. And don't forget to join me next week for Holi-DIY gifts when we make nature photo frames. I'm so excited! Happy crafting!